Janos, I need to report an issue. I'm here at the condo. I met the buyer's agent to show them the water valves. All right. We had this issue here with the fridge. It is making a small growling sound. Okay. Just to let you know what had happened was this was full of ice last time I was here, and the switch had been pushed up. So I pushed the switch up and I pushed it up to stop, and I emptied the ice tray. When I got here this morning, there was ice halfway frozen on the top here and it wouldn't release. So I don't know if something happened here, but this is part of the problem, I believe. Now, I did have a cup and I removed that frozen ice that was there, but I don't know if there is another problem with this. Could you call the home warranty company? Thank you.